Hello mga kakusina! Today we are making one of the ultimate Filipino comfort foods, Lumpiang Shanghai. It's crispy, savory, and perfect to keep in the freezer for those days when you don't know what to cook or just want something delicious to snack on. We are starting with 500 grams of ground pork. This is going to be the base of our recipe. Next up, I have 2 carrots. I didn't peel them, I just gave them a good scrub and wash. That way we keep all the good stuff like vitamins intact. Roughly chop them and toss them into the food processor until finely minced. Then we are going to take 3 medium red onions, give them a rough chop too, and add in a bunch of Chinese celery or kintsay. Process them together until finely chopped. It's quick, easy, and it saves me a lot of time. Let's season this mixture with freshly ground black pepper and a generous amount of salt. Then crack in 2 eggs. This helps bind everything together. Now roll up your sleeves and get in there with your hands. Mix it really well until the texture becomes nice and pasty. That means everything is well combined and ready to go. Now it's time to wrap. Scoop some of the mixture onto a lumpia wrapper, roll it up tight, and seal the end with a dab of water. I am using the traditional lumpia wrapper that is used by most Filipinos, but if you don't have this kind of wrapper, you can easily use the ones that you can get at the grocery store. Now here's the game changer. For those of you who don't know, I am a busy mom. I actually work full-time 5 days a week. When I make Lumpiang Shanghai, I make sure that I make a lot. I store these in freezer-safe containers, and it's really perfect as a meal prep hack. You'll always have homemade lumpia on hand. Just fry whenever you're hungry. Now let's get into frying. As you can see mga kakusina, I didn't even need to thaw the frozen Lumpiang Shanghai. I just gently split them apart and fried it straight from the freezer until golden brown and crispy. Trust me, because of the Chinese celery that we have added, your kitchen is about to smell amazing. And that is it mga kakusina. Crispy, juicy Lumpiang Shanghai that we made from scratch. It's perfect for meals, parties, and those midnight cravings. Now if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more comfort food, making it easy by the cuisinaire at its finest. See you again on the next video. Bye now!